Hello, I am Giant Trapcode and this is my channel. You can freely use footage color during educational videos. Important to know creation some footage as requires some wise plugins sign the speed of the processing to make this much easier. You will learn how to make beautiful and simple background with the help of menus, just following my steps on videos. I won't show all the button preset. On my second channel Machine Footage you can download ready-to-use footage and use it in your videos. But I strongly ask to specify original footage only. You can even monetize your videos. In exchange, I just simply ask for likes and comments. Feel free to ask questions or give suggestions in the comment section. Business cooperation, welcome to my email address.